How to install Bigo Live on iPhone. Want to start live streaming, connect with people, or watch amazing content? Bigo Live is a popular platform for live video. Here's how to easily install the Bigo Live app on your iPhone and get ready to join the fun. First, locate and tap the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. It's a blue icon with a white A in a circle. Once the App Store is open, tap the Search tab on the bottom right corner. In the Search tab, type Bigo Live and then tap Search on your keyboard, like this. Then find Bigo Live. Live stream in the search results and tap on the Get button next to it. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or a passcode, then the app will download and install on your iPhone. And just like that, Bigo Live is now installed on your iPhone. You're all set to explore the world of live streaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.